Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video, we have a special guest today. We have a special guest, got it right. And today we also have a different video. Yeah, let's go. Tier list with Camden. And your guest, Mike Opplinger. Let's go. So yeah, let's just get into this video. Oh gosh. You know, this is, so I've never done one of these videos. Let's just go search up on tier. Yeah, welcome back. Welcome to, Tier Maker. Let's go U.S. Airlines. We're gonna do an U.S. Airlines list. Oh, that's fun. Quick and easy. We'll definitely do another one after this one later today. Might do Among Us. Oh yeah, I still need to upload that video, but yeah. Let's just get into the video. I'm gonna need to turn something down, aren't I? Oh, wait. I have a better idea. I'm gonna leave it like this. Oh, never mind. That's like really loud. So Mike.
Yes.
We have the opportunities to choose from. You guys will find out what we'll choose later. What our options are. Well, I'm gonna just tell you the options, and then Mike and I will decide. Comment down below if you agree with Mike and I's answers to this. So first off, we have Alaska Airlines. Then we have we have American Airlines. Then we have Alaska. We have JetBlue Airways, Delta Airlines, Frontier Airlines, Allegiant Air. Not the time for my dogs to be barking. Izzy, Axel. Sorry guys. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk louder. I might have to. Oh, I should probably go get my headphones. That might actually help. 1 sec, I'll be back. Mike, you tell them your tier list of these airlines.
I'm not sure I know what I'm supposed to do.
Mike,
Yeah.
did you not hear me?
No, I'm not sure I understand what I'm supposed to do.
Oh, I should probably screen. That might help. Sorry about that, guys. By the way, if you're wondering what my next video will be, yes, in the Among Us video that I did yesterday, I need to upload that really quick. That's probably gonna come out right before this video comes out. Yes, it says it does say actually I did say in that video that my next video would be on Q&A, but I did change that. That will probably be my next video, and I still need to get them February. I am so sorry about this, but I am way behind schedule on everything. So currently I do not have the Hartsfield Jackson and Chill airport updates for February. That's gonna be soon. Those are gonna be February/March. So yeah. The airlines that we so far have, I've gotten to Allegiant Air. Next is Hawaiian Airlines, then Spirit Airlines, home of the Bear Fair. Sun Country Airlines, United Airlines, and then Southwest Airlines. Mike, what do you think our tier list should be?
What do I think? What?
What do you think? We're gonna start off with A. What do you think should go on A?
Delta.
Okay, yeah. Mike and I both know that was gonna go. Hey, welcome to Atlanta, where if you basically live in Atlanta, the only airline you appreciate is Delta. What do you think should go next? I say we'd
United.
Where? A?
Yeah, I guess. I don't understand what we're doing with these squares.
Oh, like A means they're pretty good. B means okay, they're good. C, meh. D, no, not really. F, probably. F, I'd rather walk.
Okay. So I'm okay with United being in an A.
Yeah, I would probably put American and Hawaiian. I won't wait. American actually probably B. Hawaii.
Based on Lee Oblinger's experience with American, I would make it a B.
Oh yeah. Alaska. What do you think about Alaska?
I don't know anything about Alaska except I like the tails on their plane. I would probably give them a B.
Yeah. Okay, now low cost. Give it to me straight, Mike. What do you think? JetBlue.
I think they all go in C.
JetBlue. No.
No, I have flown JetBlue, and it is not real bad. It might be a B minus.
So let's just put it. I'm just gonna put it in C.
Okay.
Frontier Airlines. Okay, now we're getting into like the really crappy ones. The crappy ones. Mike.
I
Frontier.
would go for C with Frontier.
Okay. Allegiant. That's D. Spirit. I'd probably rather rock. I'm gonna put Southwest isn't actually that bad.
The thing I don't like about Southwest is I like to know what seat I'm sitting in. I don't like to fight for seats.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah, let's put it in C. Sun Country. B's a good actually opportunity.
Okay.
They're probably the best low cost carrier. So yeah, there you have it, folks. That's your list for today. Yes. Oh wow, that was a quick video. 8 minutes 47. Whatever. But yeah, that's what we got. So yeah.
I think it's a good list.
Yeah, I do too. Mike. Okay. Let's send it off here. Mike,
Okay.
you have anything to say?
No. Thank you for joining us.
Yes, thank you. Have a great day. Do that outro. Have a great day, guys. And stay safe.